How to fix photos not saving to camera roll on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, ensure your device has enough free storage. To check, go to settings. Scroll down and navigate to about device or device gear. Then tap storage. If your storage is low, delete unnecessary files or applications to free up space. Sometimes outdated application can cause issues. Make sure your camera or photos application is up to date. For that, you need to head towards Google Play Store and simply search for the application that you have been using like camera or simply Google Photos. So let's check for Google Photos. If there is any updates, tap update button and update it to the latest version. Now you need to make sure that the application has storage access permissions. Simply, you can tap and hold on your application and then tap on I button. After that, choose permissions option and check for any not allowed permission and grant access, especially for storage, and repeat this process for other related application such as your photo gallery as well. So you can go ahead and long press on your Google Photos and select I icon. Tap permissions and follow the same step for this as well. Now restart your device. Hold power button on your device and then slide towards restart. Sometimes a simple restart can often fix glitches. So that's how you can easily fix the issue of photos not saving to your camera roll on Android. I hope this video helped you to resolve the problem. If it did, then please like the video, subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.